Yo, what's up traders? Welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you the weekly results of the trading robot, the expert advisor. So let me show you the results. So as you can see over here, the drawdown has increased a little bit. Over here we see our equity is 98 point, almost, what is it, 45, almost 0.5%, which means the drawdown is about 1.5% at the moment, which is totally fine. We see that the maximum drawdown has increased a little bit to 2.4, the maximum drawdown. And in a month, we see, well, let's take a look at October. We started, I believe, the middle of October. Let me go over here to 4. Yeah, so it was the 14th of October, and that means that in about 2 weeks we made 1.26%. So in 4 weeks we should probably made about 3-ish percent, which is okay, which is good, definitely good. And when we look at our win rate, we see it's still high, 94%. We lost 6%, 4 out of 70 trades. Again, really good results. Profit factor has decreased a little bit. As I mentioned in the previous video, it was unusual high, and now we see the longer the EA runs, the more realistic the profit factor becomes. So this is still an amazing profit factor. What can I show you? There's nothing really special. Yeah, okay, we see that we made 480 this week. Of course, this is a cent account, so please keep in mind. And I think that, so now it's the 9th of November, so we're about 1 week in, and we see that now we made 0.36%. And of course we have a few trades open, 7 trades open, but I believe that if we do this times 4, we will end on about 1.5% in a month. But I believe that this will go to about 3 to 4%. I hope so. So let me show you a few of the trades. So this is from last month, 481, and let me show you last week. Is this correct? Let me show you. Now it's the 9th, so we start on 3 until 9. All right. Yeah, so okay, so that's 480, and that's exactly what we saw on my fix book. But let me show you a few of the trades. So I grabbed just a few random trades. GBP USD. What did the EA do? So over here it took a sell order, 0.42, but I believe that that's also what I thought. Let me show you, where is it? All right, so this was the first order, and it was a sell. It went about 11 pips in profit, but then price shuts up, and this was because of news. So we saw a big impulse, and over here on top it took a sell order, and it closes over here with a nice profit. So that was quite a good trade. Unfortunately, it didn't close, because it should close in about 14 pips. So unfortunately that didn't happen. It went a little bit in drawdown, and then nice recovery trade, and it closes about here. Let me take a look, and we grab the Euro CHF. That is over here, Euro CHF, and we see a buy. Yeah, there was a nice buy. So the EA took a buy order and went a little bit in drawdown, about 44 pips. It goes to the upside again, and we see that it closes at 12 pips. Yeah, about 12 pips. Simple trade, easy, not perfect, but I don't believe that there are perfect trades. Well, of course, you can take a perfect trade, but you don't keep doing it. Keep doing this for a long time, or consistently for a month. I don't believe in that. So yeah, overall, as long as we make profit, we're good. Take a look at the CAT CHF. Again, this was also a trade, but was I see that there was a sell, and it closes here with a loss. But let me show you this one. Now we see that there was the first trade. Again, it was not the best one, and shot up until over here there was a new sell order. From that moment it goes to the downside, and it recovers this trade. So again, it wasn't the best trade. It moved higher, then over here it recognized that it should take a sell order, and we close with profit. Let me show you another one, maybe maybe a trade that went into the right direction immediately. We take a look at the Euro GBP. Where is the Euro GBP pair? Here and over here. Where is it? Oh yeah, over here. Nice. So the 4th of November, 10 o'clock. It's over here. Takes a buy order and closes in with what is it? 13, about 13 pips. Easy, nice. So yeah, those trades are also I won't say common, but I do see it. Not often, but it's just, as I mentioned, it's a mix. Some trades, they go well directly. As you can see, 10 pips, about 10, 11, 30 pips, boom, close in profit. And then we see it drops crazy hard, but we're out of the market with this nice trade. And other trades, they need a little bit more room, more space, more time in order to become a profitable trade. And as you can see over here, we also took another buy, and it recovers over here. Market keeps going down, so once it retraces a little bit, then we see that the EA also closes the trade with profit. So yeah, this is exactly what I mentioned. It happens. The market isn't perfect, so your trades also won't be perfect either. So yeah, that's basically okay. Let me show you another one, the last one. Euro CAT. I grabbed the Euro CAT chart, and where was the buy? Over here. Yeah, it was a buy order, 5 November the 5th, and about 12 pips. It closes in profit, and then we see it kind of goes kind of hard to the downside, but again, we're out of the trade. This also doesn't matter anymore. We took our profits and we're out. So in short, I'm quite satisfied with the results thus far. We see about 3% a month. Well, I hope so. Of course, now we trade in the full month of November. We started from the 1st of November, so at the end of the month, I have to see what the EA does, have done. But I believe that it should be about 3%. I hope so, 3 to 4%. which is really good if you think that real estate, for example, has a yearly, of an annually profit percentage of about 8 to 10%. Most investors are happy with that. And now if you see 3% a month is about 36-40% a year. That's, yeah, 4 times, yeah, 4 times bigger, better. So yeah, I mean, that's of course amazing. And the stock market, S&P 500, is also about 8, 10, 11% a year. So yeah, if you make 3 to 4% a month, yeah, a month, that's a lot, right? So yeah, I'm looking forward to next week and see how the trading robot performs. And I hope that, of course, yeah, the profit will increase, and that we're on track on the 3 to 4% a month gain. So yeah, that's it. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I see you in the next video.